So we have this bird feeder hanging up there, and these two cardinals keep coming up to it, the male, and the female just disappeared, but it is cool to watch them. I think they are a couple that just like to hang out. Up there's the female. She just flew up. That means that the male is sitting somewhere up there. They go. Might be a little hard to see, but that red dot in the tree over there is actually the male cardinal. He is just sitting there chilling on that tree, probably waiting for the perfect moment to fly over to the bird feeder right there and get some bird food. He's probably waiting for his wife to come, the female cardinal. Definitely waiting. Thought he flew away, but I still see him. He's probably waiting till no humans, also known as me, are looking out the window. He knows that I have an eye on him.